Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be customizing a pair of Adidas Superstar with the Supreme Box logo theme. First thing I'm going to do is get the stencils laid down and taped off where I'm going to be airbrushing. Once I get the stencils laid down, I'll tape off each section one at a time. I'll be using Fire Red from Adidas Direct. You're going to want to make sure you're using a heat gun so you can heat set the paint to speed up the process. I usually start with light coats until I get the coverage I want. You want to make sure you're checking the stencil every time you use the heat gun just to make sure you're not getting any underspray. If you're not doing this consistently, chances are you're going to have a lot of extra touch-ups at the end. I like to just take my time, make sure I'm getting even coats on each section that I'm laying down the airbrush on. It's gonna help a lot in the end to make sure you got nice crisp lines for your finished product. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll have more custom videos soon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting a pair of these or a variety of other customs in your size.
Sneakervinyl.com